Loaded, all set now, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have a scramble in front position. We have Joel's Choice compelled to lead. Moving up down on the inside, Billionaire Action Sailor. Punchline Conquistador, he's the man, while Security Magic is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Joel's Choice maintaining a 4 lengths lead, compelled to lead in second. Billionaire is down on the inside. Action Sailor now moving up to take third. Conquistador comes next. Then on the outside, he's the man. Punchline, while Security Magic is still racing in less. Inside the tres octavo, we have Joel's Choice maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Billionaire in second. Action Sailor now moving up on the outside. Conquistador is down on the inside for he's the man, compelled to lead. Punchline, while Security Magic is still racing in less. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Joel's Choice by about 2 lengths. And in second is Billionaire. Conquistador is down on the inside with about 100 meters of the race. Joel's Choice, Billionaire is on the outside. He's the man. It's now Billionaire, Joel's Choice, and finally Billionaire, Joel's Choice. He's the man, Conquistador. And number 6, Action Sailor for your Pentapecta.
Once again, Patty Dilemma having